Researchers at Vermont State University, along with the University of Maine, are getting a $1.8 million grant from the National Science Foundation. The study will focus on threats to both forests and human health. ABC 22's Jordan Barber tells us more about the research. She is live tonight from the newsroom. And Jordan, ticks will also be a focus here.
Lauren, the researchers say that the National Science Foundation grant will allow them to continue their research over the next few years. While the researchers are excited to collect more data, they say the best part is getting to have the students do the research along with them.
Professor of Biology Bill Landsman and Assistant Professor of Wildlife and Forest Conservation Kristen Ross led what will now be a 5-year research project on ticks and invasive plant species this summer. The two Vermont researchers, in partnership with colleagues at the University of Maine, received a $1.8 million National Science Foundation grant in September. They say it will allow them to continue their research while mentoring Vermont State University students.
I'm excited for the student aspect of it because we are a small teaching-based institution, but students here in various kinds of majors can get really hands-on in the field, in the laboratory. There's also laboratory component experience as well.
While their research is still in the preliminary stages, the researchers hope to identify a relationship between invasive plant species and tick populations. They say with more research, their study could eventually help Vermonters manage ticks through vegetation management. But to avoid ticks this fall, the researchers say Vermonters should cover up, do regular checks, and wear a good bug repellent.
I think of it like brushing your teeth. You should do tick checks twice a day, and also be on the lookout for times where things do not seem as risky, because then you might let your guard down.
Summer researcher and senior biology student Alexandra Williams says while she's excited to have been a part of a now nationally funded project, the best part has been working with the professors.
This is, of course, very important, but it's not as exciting as getting to watch my mentors and seeing the excitement they have, knowing this is going to be an extra 5 or so years. They get to keep doing something they love.
Deacon Watson, another researcher and student, says he hopes to continue being a part of the project.
Cool to see a small school get funding for this, as well as important research that's hopefully going to be used by like CDC and other important groups.
Funding from the grant became available to the researchers as of last month. With that, the researchers will be gearing up to collect more ticks and, of course, data this fall. Reporting from the newsroom, Jordan Barber, ABC 22 News.